Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy Learning German with Ritu. And this is part 2 regular verbs conjugation. We are doing lesson number 12. Those who are watching part number 2 directly, I want to request them to watch lesson 11 also, because in that we have understood the formula, we have started with this topic, I have explained the concept, and we have conjugated 1 to 10 verbs there. So this is part 2 wherein we will be conjugated 10 to 20 verbs. Okay, so this is very important. So we are moving ahead now. So let's begin. This is the endings that you need to learn, which are very important. And I will explain it. I will again do it with you. Ish. With ish is I, and ending we use is E ending. With do, you informal means tum in Hindi. We will say st. Z is en ending. Ses is t ending. Wir, wir. So wir is en ending. Ear is t ending. They all, you all. En ending. ZZ is en ending. So if you have not learned the endings, I request you to please learn them. Okay, it is very important to learn the endings. Now let's move ahead. I'm moving to the next slide. If you have not learned it, you need to pause the video. That means अगर आपने याद नहीं किया है तो आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. So now the 11th and 12th verb I am starting 1 to 10 I have covered in part 1, lesson 11. So in this we are doing suchen and kommen. Suchen means to search, kochen means to cook. So suchen we will cut this en, and in kochen also we will cut this en as a step number 1. This is what I also explained in part 1. So then we will write such everywhere and then add the endings as step number 2. So ich suche, du suchst, sie suchen, sie es sucht, wir suchen, ihr sucht, and sie suchen. Same way, ich koche, it is not kosher, it is koche. Du kochst, sie kochen, sie es kocht, wir kochen, ihr kocht, sie kochen. Now note down these verbs with conjugation if you have not done it yet. सब लोग इनको नोट करेंगे with endings, highlighters, use highlighters the way I have used different colors. Pause the video and write it. For those who are done, I am moving ahead. Now same way we will do this. 13th is notieren. 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 So we will cut this en and write notier everywhere. Okay. So it will be ich notiere. Speak after me. सब मेरे साथ में बोलेंगे. Du notierst, not notierest. Many people say that. Many students. notierst, notierst, Sie notieren, sie es notiert, wir notieren, ihr notiert, sie notieren. Clear? 14th is informieren. We will cut again this en. Now you need to write informier everywhere. In front of ich, in front of du, in front of RCS, everywhere you will write. Write it quickly or first understand, then you can pause the video and note, okay? First understand and speak with me. Ich informiere, du informierst, sie informieren, ihr RCS informiert, wir informieren, ihr informiert, and sie informieren. Now 15th is telefonieren. Say loudly. Telefonieren. 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 So cut this en and write TELOFIER until R everywhere. As a step number 1. Step number 2, we will add the endings. So, ich telefoniere, du telefonierst, sie telefonieren, es telefoniert, wir telefonieren, ihr telefoniert, sie telefonieren. सेम वे स्टूडियरन वी विल कट en. स्टूडियरन में भी हम en कट करके हर जगह पे लिखेंगे बाकी का STUDIER. And step number 2, we will add the endings. Ich studiere, du studierst, sie studieren, sie studiert, wir studieren, ihr studiert, sie studieren. Now I request you to note down all of it nicely in your notebook because these notes you will require until B2. So note it down nicely. Pause my video and write it. Now I'm moving ahead. Same way we will do beginnen. Beginnen means to start. So en ending we will cut and write BEGINN everywhere as a step number 1. What is step number 2? Add endings. This is your step number 2. So, ich beginne, du beginnst, sie beginnen, es beginnt, wir beginnen, ihr beginnt, and sie beginnen. Same way, 18th, we will cut en. Bekommen is the verb. Loudly say bekommen. 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 Very nice. Bekommen means to get. कुछ मिलना. So step number 1, we cut en and write everywhere BEKOMM. In front of ish, do, as सबके सामने लिखेंगे हम as a formula. And then step number 2, we will add the endings. So ish, bekomma, du bekommst. Speak after me. Everybody will speak after me. Those who are studying with me. Sie bekommen. Es bekommt. Sie bekommen. Ihr bekommt. Sie bekommen. Same way, in 19th, we will cut en and we will write Schenken. SCHENK everywhere. Okay? Schenken means to gift. Schenken. 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 And now we will add the endings. Ich schenke. Du schenkst. Sie schenken. Es schenkt. Wir schenken. Ihr schenkt. Sie schenken. Okay? So Sie schenken. They all, you all is schenken. The last one. Fliegen. This is the last verb of today's session. Fliegen. Fliegen means to fly. Say loudly. Fliegen. 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 Perfect. So cut en and we will write fliegen everywhere. Flieg. Flieg, flieg, flieg. Write it. Then what it will be? Ich fliege. Du fliegst. Speak after me. Du fliegst. Sie fliegen. Es fliegt. Wir fliegen. Ihr fliegt. Sie fliegen. You can note down. I am erasing everything. मैं erase कर देती हूँ so that it's neat and clean for you to write. I hope it's now clean. So what is important, guys? Step number 1, cut en, write rest of the word everywhere. En को कट करेंगे, बाकी का word सब जगह पे लिखेंगे. Step number 2, endings को add करेंगे. We will add the endings as step number 2. You have to learn these 20. Now, part lesson 11, 10 verbs, lesson 12, 10. Total 20 regular verbs we have covered so far. In part 3, another set of 10 verbs for regular verbs will be there, which are important. In A1, A2, you need them. These are customized notes. Please make most of it and learn them. After that, I will also tell you the easy way to learn the irregular verbs conjugation. Okay? I hope you have written. You can pause the video, go back, write it nicely. You have to speak after me if you are taking a session with me. Lessons, even on YouTube, you need to speak with me. Okay? Rest, I would like to thank you all for giving me your time and watching my videos. I hope you're finding them helpful. In comment section, you can write your opinion, you can write your observations, reviews, or how did you find my videos? Are they helpful for you in understanding German better or not? Yeah. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel. Yeah. Bye bye.